Look at these nice bubbles. We got this nice leopard spotting on here. The crust is so crispy. The cheese is so gooey. Hey Sammy fam, we're gonna make a pizza today. So we're gonna start with making a simple pizza sauce. A very important first step, peel the stickers off your vegetables. I have accidentally ate those before. We're gonna take this red pepper and we're gonna take a few of these nice little tomatoes. And we're just gonna blast these boys. Don't try this at home. I need some tongs. All right, now we'll have some nice fire roasted flavor, the quick and easy way. We're gonna need some garlic. We're just gonna use raw garlic, so I just need like 3 cloves. Just smash them to get them out of their papery casing. Peel this garlic easy. I'm not even going to chop it up because we're just going to throw this in a blender. The one thing I hate about garlic is there's just so much cleanup from all this paper. It's garlic paper. And it's so sticky with garlic juice. Throw that in the blender. These cooled off enough I can throw them in the blender. Let's take off the seedy bits. Take that part off. Basically just get rid of all the big white bits that don't taste like anything. Press it down. I got so much in here, I think I gotta blend it for a second. I'm gonna add a little olive oil to be a liquid. And then I'll add a few more ingredients. Look at all that flavor. That already looks amazing. It's delicious. But we're gonna add some fresh basil. And you can taste that fire smoked flavor. Can you tell I really love fresh basil? Some smoked sea salt. You gotta balance the light sweetness of the tomatoes. Add balsamic vinegar. Give that a finishing blend. And that is a good, super easy, no-cook pizza sauce, pizza topping, pizza sauce, yeah. Got my new special Nomnom bottle. Oh, wow, that's the perfect amount. Let's prep the rest of our toppings. We have pepperoni. I like thick pepperoni. I ain't about these like thin slices that come in the bags, you know. Generally that meat just doesn't taste as good. I'll just eat the tip. I think that's enough. I bought another stick, but I think I'll save this to make a pepperoni sandwich. I like red onion with my pepperoni. Just gives you that brightness. Just do a rough chop. These will get nice and soft in the oven on top of our pizza. Take out that middle bit. It's woody. And we got some mozzarella cheese. Low moisture, so it melts better on pizza. Ooh, a big chunk of cheese. I'm not gonna need all of this, but let's go ahead and shred it and save the rest for pizza sandwich tomorrow. Always be really careful if you're trying to shred like a softer cheese, because you can slip and really mess up your fingers. Come on, cheese. That's probably enough. And I already know I'm gonna want some crushed red pepper, so let's just go ahead and get that out. I love crushed red pepper on pizza. I'm using this store-bought pizza dough. I really like this brand. They have it at my local corner market, so I get it a lot. Just gotta let it thaw. And then if you cold ferment it in your fridge, the longer you do, the less rise you'll get, but the more interesting flavors you can get in it because of that fermentation process. And the more browning you'll get from the sugars that develop. Get down a little flour so it doesn't stick. I usually just start by hand stretching, and then I know it's sacrilegious, but sometimes I do use a rolling pin if I want to get it nice and real flat, or if I'm having a hard time working with it. And it works out fine in the end, so. As I'm doing this, I have my pizza steel in the oven at 550 degrees, getting nice and hot, so it'll cook this pizza super fast, give us a good crust. I used to use a stone, and that worked pretty well, but my wife got me a pizza steel for Christmas or my birthday last year, I'm not sure which. And steel is just a better conductor of heat, so it'll transfer more heat into the dough faster and get you that pizzeria style crust easier at home, you know, because at an actual pizzeria they have 1,000-degree ovens. We don't have that. We have 550 degrees and a sheet of steel that we've superheated. The all-important slide test to make sure we don't get it stuck when trying to throw it in the oven. That can be a disaster. And now we're ready to start with our sauce. Let's sauce this baby up. Oh, my tip is too small. Oh, shit. My sauce is too chunky. A little more sauce. Look at the colors like already in the sauce. Green, red, the little browned, burned bits from our fire adventure. This is gonna be great. Put down our cheese. Oh yeah, I totally have enough cheese. I feel like people over cheese their pizzas a lot. Like this mozzarella is gonna spread out. And I like my pizza to actually sometimes look a little bit splotchy. We'll see how even this one comes out. Onions, just a metric fuck ton of onions. Sorry, children, but that's a technical term because I love red onions. Pepperoni for my homie, which is me, for myself. Other than my wife, I am my own best friend, and I like it that way. This is going to be a Roni-licious pizza. Oh, I got too much Roni. I'll stuff these bad boys in wherever they can go. The super Roni pizza. And let's get some of this crushed red pepper on here. I love this stuff. I also have this Italian seasoning blend. Can't hurt, it'll make it a little more savory. Okay, here we go. And she's in. That'll go about 8 minutes, 10 minutes, we'll see. Okay, I think our pizza's ready. Let's pull it out. Oh, that is juicy. Listen to all that bubbling and popping. I like these nice bubbles. We got this nice leopard spotting on here. The crust is so crispy. The cheese is so gooey. It's gonna be a minute before I can dive into this. I always try to eat pizza too soon and end up burning my mouth really badly. It's just so hard to wait. This smells amazing. You know what I'm gonna put on while the cheese is still nice and hot and melty? I have this fried garlic I got in Chinatown. I love this stuff. Really good in Asian dishes, but also super good flavor on Italian food and pizzas too. Whatever you want, some nice crunchy, oily garlic flavor on. And that's how you make a delicious, super crispy, look at that crust. Beautiful homemade sauce on here. Amazing savory fire roasted pizza. I'm so happy. I can't wait to eat this in 5 minutes when it cools down.